Well, that is really important question, since many researchers, especially younger researchers in our region, don't have access to the trainings or any other opportunity, formal or non-formal education, to obtain skills which are necessary for the research. One way of dealing with this problem is to organize joint trainings like this RRPP Academy is. Other way would be to implement courses in universities, which could be meant not only for students of the one faculty, but students of the whole university, for example. Maybe that is easier to organize, and definitely to spend much more time and energy into working with students on a practical basis.
It is clear that the social science research methods are not getting the attention of the within the formal universities which they deserve, and this is the problem, across the board, both for the students that are undergoing undergraduate and graduate studies and are basically left without classes in research methods. But also this is the problem for the research community in the academia and also outside, because it also means that in many instances researchers, academics, professors teaching at the universities are not fully equipped with sometimes even with basic knowledge of the research methods, techniques, analysis, and so on.
Methods are important to science generally. It affects the validity of the research that's undertaken. It's very important that people understand the philosophical underpinnings of research and indeed the methodologies and the methods, in order that they are appropriate, in order to help influence policy or develop knowledge in general.
Adequate research is a precondition for generating new knowledge and understanding and explaining societal phenomena. So the absence of sound research based on adequate research methods really prevents us from gaining those insights. This is why research methods are fundamental to be able to consider or to engage with societal problems. This is especially important for the Western Balkans region, where we essentially witness an absence of sound research methods education. And what follows is essentially a limitation in both generating new knowledge, but also in preparing students to be able to do more independent scientific work.
When we talk about teaching social research method in the region, especially in Bosnia and Herzegovina, we can, on my point of view, we can say that the Bosnian students have very good grounded based theory knowledge. But when it comes to the use of this knowledge in the empirical or in the practice way, then we get some problems, because the students know, for example, the definition of an hypothesis or of a variable or of the indicators, but when they comes to use these parts of social research methods, they have very big problems. How can we solve that? On our universities, on our public universities in whole Bosnia and Herzegovina, for example, in Sarajevo, in East Sarajevo, in Tuzla, in Mostar, we must take more practice